Norway. Hi everybody, my name's Rob Lambert and I am going to be coming to the wonderful, fabulous country of Norway. I've never actually been, but I've been reading some amazing facts about it. It's got the world's longest underground tunnel, apparently. Nobel Peace Prize is awarded in Norway every year, with a few exceptions. You invented skiing. You even exported salmon sushi to Japan. And of course, it's also the home to the Odin conference, which I will be speaking at about the 10 behaviors of effective testers. Now, I had an epiphany, a sort of aha moment, when I was drinking with a group of bikers in a town square in a foreign city. I had an epiphany that actually, when we're at work, when we're trying to build the right culture of diversity, of rapid releases, of effective software development, it's all about behaviors. It doesn't matter what it says on your LinkedIn profile or your job description. It's about behaviors. Behaviors are the culture of an organization. And when I was tasked with growing a team 100% year on year and scaling the business during a startup phase to maturity, I was working out, how can I keep the culture good? How can I ensure that everybody we bring in at such a rapid pace is contributing to the culture, is contributing to the team, is not bringing down the society that they are going to join. And it was all about behaviors. And that aha moment in the bar, surrounded by bikers, was this sort of epiphany of behaviors are what matters. And in this talk, I'm going to share with you the 10 behaviors of effective testers. These are the behaviors that we looked for in our great people, developers, testers, product owners, scrum masters, you name it, anybody that came into our organization. They were how we recruited. They are how we dealt with performance management. They are the things that helped us nudge the culture to become such a good place to work that even when people didn't get a job, they went away and told their friends about how great this team would be. I apologise for that, there's some scaffolders next door. I've really got to soundproof this studio. So I will be there and I will be on stage, and it will be an energetic, a fun, a fairly interactive presentation where you're going to get to hear about the 10 behaviours of effective testers. Now I will say it's very rare to find anybody that exhibits all 10. I'll share with you the one behaviour out of the 10 that I think people should probably focus on the most. And obviously I'll share with you some stories about how we looked at the behaviors, how we studied them, how you can do this straight after the talk. And of course, I will share with you the story of the bikers and the aha moment and how behaviors really are where we need to focus. I'm very, very much looking forward to coming to Norway. Never been to Norway before. Super excited. It's going to be coming up to the Christmas time. No doubt the weather will be pretty chilly. And this will be my first in-person conference for a couple of years. So thank you so much to Fiona and the rest of the organisers for inviting me, and I hope to see you all there in November.